In this lesson, I will walk through a frequent sequential patterns exercise. As you can see, the sequence database consists of 3 sequences, and the goal is to find all frequent sequential patterns and all maximal sequential patterns. Minimum support equals to 3. Please take a moment and solve this problem on your own. I'm going to use the PrefixSpan algorithm. We start with identifying length 1 sequences that meet the support of 3. We get A, C, D, E, and F. Next, I'm going to find the projected database for each prefix. In other words, given A is a prefix, what is the subsequence suffix for this prefix? For the first sequence, E, C, F, D, which is everything that followed A. The second sequence, C, D, E, C, F, G. The last one is E, C, G. Now, inside this projected database, I start to look for more length 1 frequent elements. We found C and E are frequent, so we go ahead and find their projected databases. Please pay attention to this underscore notation. It means that the prefix happened in a set where there are also other events that happened at the same time. No frequent elements inside the projected database of C, but inside the projected database of E, we can see that C is frequent, so we go ahead and find its projected database. We continue this process of finding the projected database for prefixes and try to look to more frequent elements to extend. At the end, I can read all the frequent sequences, which are A, C, D, E, F, then AC, AE, AEC, CD, DC, EC, and F. Now we get to the second part of the exercise, which is finding all maximal sequential patterns. It's a good time to review the definition of maximal patterns. So a pattern is maximal if it's already frequent and there exists no frequent super pattern that contains this pattern. Please take a moment and work out the problem. So is A maximal? I can see it appeared in ACAE, so there's a bigger super pattern that already contains A. C is not maximal, D is not maximal, E is not maximal, but is F maximal? I don't see it appeared anywhere else, so it's maximal. AC not maximal, AE not maximal, CD is maximal, DC is maximal, EC is not, and AEC is.